when you start using Claude for the first time on the web, or maybe in the app you download to your Windows machine or your Mac or whatever, maybe you start exploring it and seeing what it can do and having a few chats with the AI. And that's all great. And it'll give you some responses, and maybe some of them are good. But what's missing for, I'd say, all users at the very start is structure and organization. And what happens is, after a little while, all your chats pile up, all your queries and your documents and your projects, if you manage to figure out projects in the web app and the native app on your machine, that's brilliant. But it all piles up and it has no order, no structure, no organization. That's problematic, because after a while it just becomes this unruly mess, like a giant ball of wool that your 2-year-old got a hold of and just has made shit of. And if you're going to be serious about using AI in your work, you've got to have structure and organization. And I figured that out pretty early. I developed a system, a framework and a methodology for using Claude. But not Claude on the web or Claude in the native app, because they're limited. Now, they're a good starting point, but if you really want to get the power of Claude in your work and in your business, you've got to use Claude Code in some kind of development environment like VS Code or Anti-Gravity or Windsurf or one of these IDEs, okay? Now, the setup is maybe a little bit technical, but once you get there, it's easy and it flows. And I call this structure the AI Business OS. And you can get access to it. The full file structure, the full organization, all the skills and the agents and the commands, and what else have I got for you in there? The project management features and the memory features built in from the start. And I've been rolling this out for a couple of clients and they're very happy, thankfully. Got a testimonial yesterday from one of my clients, and I was very grateful for it in the first place, but it helped me see that this is actually bringing a little bit of order to people's work. The AI is great, but on its own, it's unruly and it needs a bit of structure. The AI Business OS gives you that structure. So if you want to find out more about how this works, about the framework and methodology for structuring your workspace, hit subscribe. You'll find out more about it. Check out the videos in the